the new elevator in the Boxley building.
The new elevator.
This is the one my button panel came out of.
It's been snap cabbed. Oh look, there it is. Think safety.
Let's take a look.
Thyssenkrupp did the mod.
Here we go. Now we'll go back down to the lobby. I don't think I've ever filmed this car. Every time I've been in there, I've filmed the other car. All right, say hi to the camera. Look at the shape.
I know. You can tell these are all Otis. Otis, for some reason, did that. My camera blurry. Wonderful. Sorry about that.
So that is the new elevator.
They did a good job on
You
that.
can see the old elevator. It's still down there.
So you said they just parked it down there and
They
turned
just
it
work in the basement.
and turned it off?
Yep.
Wow.
There it goes. And